Hey girls, today I'm sharing 7 easy recipes to help you lose weight in just 7 days. You can do these at home and see fast results. Let's get started. Day 1. Warm lemon water. Start your morning with a glass of warm water and half a lemon. Boosts metabolism and flushes out toxins. Day 2. Green detox smoothie. Blends spinach, cucumber, green apple, and lemon. Keeps you full and supports fat burning. Day 3. Yogurt and chia seeds. Mix a spoon of chia seeds into a bowl of yogurt. It's high in fiber and speeds up digestion. Day 4. Cinnamon apple snack. Slice an apple and coat it with cinnamon. Kills sweet cravings and balances blood sugar. Day 5. Ginger lemon tea. Boil fresh ginger slices with lemon. Boosts fat burn and reduces bloating. Day 6. Boiled eggs and cucumber. For breakfast, eat 2 boiled eggs with a few cucumber slices. Gives protein and keeps you fresh. Day 7. Pineapple slices. For a snack, eat some pineapple slices. Helps digestion and reduces water retention. Stick to these recipes for 7 days and you'll feel lighter and more energetic. Be patient and enjoy the results. If you want more, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.